So we're going to be looking at a very easy way to find the square of any number that ends with 5. For example, let's say we have something like 75. Now, the trick is this. We can see that these things end with 5. So the trick is this. Take the first number, which is 7. What's the number after 7 is 8. So you do 7 times 8 and you get 56. Once you have 56, just add 25 after. You have 5,625. You can also try that for 25. When you have 25, just take the first number, which is 2. After 2 is what? 3. 2 times 3, you get 6. Then you have 25 back. If you have 125, just take the two numbers before the 5, which is 12. And you take 12. After 12 is what? 13. 12 times 13 will give you 156. Just add 25 back. Very easy and very short. So this is how you do it for any number that ends with 5 that you want to square.